Okay guys, welcome back to our unboxing of rare Kyosho Mini Z from all over the world. There's stuff from Japan guys which we're doing right at the moment, and there's a few European things as well. So without further ado, let's move on. Okay, now this I used to have, I don't know if you know guys, I've been to 1/8 scale cars. We've got earlier vids, and I was into the Kyosho ones as well. And I had this as a 1/8 scale version. I had this version which is the Vitaphone one, and there's another one which was like duck blue, and they were like my favourite shells. I shoogooed the living daylights out of that car just to make sure the shell wouldn't break. It was nice. Anyhow, but I didn't know that they did it in a Mini Z, so woo, here it is, and I still held on to my 1/8 scale body shell, but I'm gonna have to set it off now because I've got this. So you know, I kept hold of it. I thought, I'll probably do vids and stuff with it, because I think they got it right. The color contrast. I mean, you know me, guys. I like black. I like luminous orange. I like chrome. But this is one of them that they got right. So this is the Vitaphone Racing Team Aston Martin DBR9, number 53 LM 2008. Okay, and let's have a look at the beast. There's it from the front. We're going to take it out of the display case, guys, so you can have a look. I think they got it right, man. Vitaphone's not probably the best decal I've ever heard of, like Wood One, but the colour scheme is mental, man. It's like a duck blue with black. I think they got it right. So when I saw this, I thought, it's expensive. Now, I don't know how much that works out to be in Japanese conversions to UK pounds, but it's not cheap. And I didn't even know, guys, and it came up. And it's like waiting for a bus. Another one's come up. There's two of them now. So I don't know if they're really rare. The advertising has been pretty rare. But yeah, I really liked that. When Kyosho brought them out, I was like, yeah, I've got to have that body shell, man. 1/8 scale's really dry for body shells. And I always liked making race vids, and I thought, when Mini Z's came out, I thought, oh, whoa, they look kind of alright. So yep, that definitely is, man. A beautiful, beautiful bit of kit, guys. Let's put you, it's all falling to bits. Let's put you over here. Okay. Okay, and with that, I got some pre-owned. I've had this before. I think I already had this, yeah. This is a bit more of a rougher version, so if I want to race, I would use this one, not the one that I've got. So that's a bit too nice. So I can't show it in the package. I think this is the R35, but this is not like the blown out, modern out version. This is like the drift car kind of version. So, yep, you can tell it's Hero, Moving _ Dream. And the other body shell was from Saugen 4338. It's on YouTube. It's on eBay as well. Cool Japanese sellers. Right, you probably noticed I had that before. Alright, bit rough at the front, but cheap as chips, man. It wasn't expensive at all, and I thought, rather than, you know, wreck the nice one that I've got, I don't mind using this one. Okay, so again, it's one that's not really caked. The decals aren't caked on. It's not really crazy, you know, with the decals and stuff like that. But yeah, nevertheless, well worth being in the collection, guys. Nice body shell. And usually, guys, you can tell by the front if they've been hammered loads. That has had some, you can tell here from the front. But yeah, it's not too bad. What I tend to do, guys, is they've got marks and stuff, I just get my Sharpie and just go over it. You can't tell, trust me. Just get a little Sharpie on there, go over all the black stuff, you know, you'll never tell. Alright, so yep, that's fine. That's something that I will be using, and that's what I've done, guys. So rather than, you know, mash up some of the nice cars that I've got, I'd rather, if a cheaper version comes up that's like £10, I'd rather get that. You're not going to tell if I'm racing, if it's the nice body shell or not. I'd race that all day long. I don't really care if it gets cracked or smashed, because it wasn't brand new anyway. But these that are getting rarer by the day, I don't really want to be racing with them, guys, just in case you end up smashing it to bits, guys, you know. So, yep. Okay, we'll put it on the stand and check out the cool stuff that's about to come. Watch the next vid. Okay. Okay, guys, and another total beast. So we've got the Aston Martin DBR9. This is the Vitaphone model. And even though it hasn't got all the blown out, you know, arches and fenders, I do like the diffuser at the back. Looks kind of cool. And black, guys, with bright colours, looks crazy. I tend to like the oranges, but this is like the duck blue, egged, yeah, egg duck blue, a duck blue egg, but you know, like an egg of a duck. I never noticed there's the mirror missing, and this was new, so I'm gonna have to go speak to Saojin about that. Well, Okitsu. Yeah, I never noticed. I don't think it showed up in the pictures. Can't see it in the box, so bit of a mystery there. But he's usually pretty cool with stuff like that. But yep, a real legend of a car, guys. And as I say, I had that in 1/8 scale, and it looks crazy. What drew me towards it is it looks just like the 1/8 scale, if not better. And I've obviously moved away from that towards Mini Zs. A bit easier to make videos off. And I just didn't like the body flex. You know, the car looks real, then you go over a bump and the whole body flexes. It's, you know, it's polycarbonate, it's like plastic in it, so. But with the Mini Zs, it actually looks real, you don't get any of that. So I like making street race vids, drag race vids, police chase vids, and these kind of cars will look totally awesome in drag racing vids, guys, or when performance cars come on the streets. That's another idea that I've been toying with for a little bit. But amazing. I don't know what you guys think, but that definitely is a classic. There's the other shell. Oh, I've got a few other shells actually that are the DBR9. There's a blue one, there's a green metallic one, and then obviously there's the one that's quite similar to that, but in a lighter blue colour. So, but out of all of them, that's definitely my favourite. That looks so cool. And again, I don't like the flat-faced wheels, guys. I would change them out. I'd have some nice chrome, deep dish. I know you don't like, you guys are probably thinking, no, keep it classic. I just don't like that. I've noticed that when you have wheels or tyres with them white logos on the actual tyre, or a drift wheel, and you've got chrome deep dish wheels, it makes the car look totally different, man. It brings out a total different animal. And yep, that is something that I probably will do, guys. Well, you know what? If I get a chance, I'll show you. You know, you can have a look for yourself and see what you think. But it releases the beast, man. The car looks so much more different. Right, times of the essence. I'm running out of daylight, so let's get on. And guys, stick with the series, man. There's loads more amazing, crazy RC cars to come. I should call this the crazy Kyosho unboxings, but yeah. On to the next. Okay guys, so here we've got the Nissan Skyline. This is the R35. Now I didn't really know what GT-R was all about, but it basically means Gran Touring or Gran Turismo Racing, one of the two. And GTB is Gran Touring Bellanita, something like that. But yeah, even though the Jap cars, because obviously most of the performance cars were being produced in Italy, they decided to keep names that were kind of in line with that. So yep, I already had this, so I've just used the wheels from the one that I had before. That was pre-owned, but in good, like decent condition, so when this came up cheap, I thought I'll use that. So obviously it's had some scuffs on the front, but apart from that, it's perfect, it's fine. Yeah, mirrors are missing, but you don't notice it. If I didn't say it, you would have noticed. But yeah, love the way it goes with them wheels and tyres, man. So they were drifting tyres with the stickers on, and them stickers are F1 stickers. Can't get them onto rubber ones, you know, the normal rubber tyres, the sidewall's too small, but you can get them onto drift tyres. They do sometimes peel off. You just got to press them on, guys. Or get a bit of a heat gun on, give them a little blast for a short while. Don't warp your plastic. But yeah, I personally prefer the ones that are blown out. So, like the test cars, the Xanvia. I kind of prefer them ones, the GT version ones. But this is okay as well, it's alright. So yeah. Not bad for a pre-owned car, guys. And worth having in the collection. You would, if you want to see the other version, it's not much more different, guys, but that was with the Subaru, with the Crawford Subaru. That's in the same video as that one. So yeah, so I'm hoping to stick them wheels. You're going to see them wheels and them drift tyres on a few cars in the race vids I'll be making. And once I've got this stuff done, I can move on to them projects, guys. As I say, I've only got 2 or 3 Mini Zs that I'm interested in getting now. And apart from that, it's I'm done. I know you've heard that before, but the disclaimer's there. But what I have tried though, guys, there's Mini D I didn't know about, and there's Mini Q. And they've brought out some alloy shells. It hasn't said that it'll fit a Mini Z, but the specifications look similar. So they're coming from China, and I want to see if they'll fit Mini Zs, and if that is the case, I'll let you guys know. Okay. So guys, whole heaps of videos to come, cooler stuff to come. Subscribe, get notified, don't miss out.